everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout. So I'm showing you this particular photo here because I am going to use a Creative Memories Peekaboo pocket on here so that I can add in one more photo to this layout. I really liked the two photos that are the first two photos here, one lying under the other. Both had importance to me for this story. So I decided to use that peekaboo pocket, and you can just put the photo in and flip it, and then it just flips on the layout if you put it on properly. So what you do is you could really do it underneath, but that doesn't make any sense because you wouldn't be able to flip it. So you put it right on top of a page protector. So you will see me pull out a page protector, and obviously this layout, that piece is going to have to go there no matter where it lands in my book because it's already attached, and that's fine. So to start out, the background paper, navy paper, is Bella Boulevard Bella Besties. It's the Hearts and Ombre and Blueberry. And then I have that beautiful plaid paper, which is from Bella Boulevard Lake Life, and it's the Lakeside Picnics paper. And this is a story of when I was babysitting my, at the time, youngest great-nephew. Since then, I have another great-nephew who was born a few months later. But right now, he's the littlest one. And he has some crazy hair. And that sassy guy would not sleep for Auntie Kelly. But she took him on a walk and he fell asleep in his stroller. So I just let him stay there. I read a book and just popped him in front of me. And it's amazing how flexible kids' necks are. As you see in that photo, the first one on the left page there. So I'm decorating. I'm using these cars because we were playing cars and trains quite a bit that day. So that has some meaning to me. Those, the chipboard car, which is the two cars that you see now, are both from the Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0 Chow Chip. And then the labels there are from Ellie's Studio, the die cut labels, which would be the bottom right there. And then that You Are Awesome is just a piece that I found, and that's also just an Ellie's Studio die cut there. So what I'm doing here is I'm looking for a journaling card, and I did find this one from Ellie's Studio. I don't know what that's from. It really should be horizontal, but I'm going to use that white label piece to look sort of like a banner. So I have a little chipboard piece there from the Tiny Tots collection, and then I'm kind of playing around right now with getting the spacing and everything right on this so that I can decorate that pocket, because it is going to go on the outside, but I want to make sure that it like that car and the little You Are Awesome label, and that's what the title of this is going to be, kind of all fit together. So I found this sticker actually from the Tiny Tots 2.0 doohickey sheet, which is the stickers. And I'm going to use that on the back instead of the that other sticker that I was thinking about for a while. Okay, so just getting those all down, and then thinking about this, maybe this tab here, but I ended up not liking it. I had taken some things off of the sticker sheet and put them over there. I was thinking about kind of making a little road down here with some die cuts, but I really didn't like them. And then also kind of thinking about using some of the enamel stickers here, just kind of playing around with what sort of what can I do here? And nothing is seeming to be right to me. So now I'm looking at some geotags from Ellie's Studio. Thinking about putting that down on there. That's not working. I'm just not liking it. By the way, that chipboard piece that says loved, and then I have the 2 star pieces there. Those are all from that Tiny Tots 2.0 Chow Chip as well, too. Forgot to tell you about those when I put those down. So I'm not, So I'm still playing around a little bit, but I'm kind of liking that puffy heart there. So I'm thinking about using that. We'll see how that works out in the end. But that seems to be okay so far. And then I decided that blended in a little bit too much. So I found this aqua heart, puffy heart, and then a navy one. So now I can put this all into this pocket. Okay, so I want to get in some more hearts there. So I added one to the loved there, and then I'm going to come back with a blue one in that little kind of journaling corner there. And then add another blue one up on the You Are Awesome little cut apart sort of label title piece there. That way then I have kind of some commonality going through. And I mixed hearts and stars, so be proud of me. You know that's a kryptonite for me, is mixing those two things together. But I like the colors, how the colors are pulling everything through together on this layout. And the blues and the greens. I'm just really liking that. So then I just am using, I needed a little bit of foam tape because that heart wasn't sitting right because it's up on top of the chipboard there. Okay, so here is where I grabbed the page protector, and I know this will go on the back side of one because there's left and right. So then I'm going to take off, I'll try to take off. It does work better if you use a tweezers or something. If you don't have a lot of fingernails like I do, you flip that backwards, and then I'm just kind of playing with it so it sits correctly on that. And there you go, you can see the flip. The one thing I pointed out, I don't love how you can see the labels from the back there. I didn't take that into consideration, but you know what? It is what it is, and I'm just going to leave it. It's good enough as the way it is. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.